Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you step by step on how to show your date of birth to people you follow and who follow you back on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. With the latest update, controlling who can see your birthday is easier than ever, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the X website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the main page, look to the left side menu and click on your profile icon or your name to enter your profile page. Now, on your profile, you'll see an Edit Profile button just below your cover photo. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a window where you can update your profile details, including your name, bio, location, and of course, your birth date. Next, look for the birth date section. Click on it, and then click Edit again when prompted. Here, you'll see options to set the visibility for your birth month, day, and year. To make your birth date visible only to people you follow and who follow you back, select your Follow Each Other for both the month and day, as well as for the year. Once you've set both the month and day and the year to your Follow Each Other, double-check your selections. When you're ready, click Save at the top right corner of the window. Your changes will be applied instantly, and now only mutual followers, those you follow and who follow you back, will be able to see your date of birth on your profile. It's that simple. Just remember, X may limit how often you can change your birth date, so make sure your settings are exactly how you want them before saving. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy tutorials. See you next time.